How to create a Wix e-commerce website. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on a Wix, how to create your e-commerce website using Wix. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to wix.com and you will land on this platform right here. Wix is a world's leading website builder that allows you to create professional blogs, portfolio websites, and e-commerce website. In order to get started, you can just enter your email address right here and set up a password. You can also sign up for Wix with your Google account. So once you sign up, this is where you will get, you can see this is my wix.com, and I have few of the websites right here, but I'll show you how to create a new e-commerce website. So without any further ado, let's get into it. I'm gonna click on create new site right here, and it will take me to the templates available on Wix. Alright, so first we just have to select a platform. Now we have Classic Wix or Editor X. So I'm just gonna go with a Classic Wix instead of Editor X. What's the difference between these two? Well, it's just that Editor X deals with layers and it's like more professional. What kind of website you're creating? So I'm gonna be creating an online store. Okay, what kind of store? It is going to be an accessory store. Okay, so let's enter the name for our store. Now we have to select what do we want in our online store. An online store, built-in chat, forms and forums. And then we have bookings, events, and blog pricing plan. I'm just gonna, skip this for now and just select chat and online store. So here we have our Wix template. Wix has hundreds of templates for us for different niches. So we have like online accessory store, and these are the different templates available. Now all I need to do is just select the right template and just customize it the way I want. I'm gonna go with this one. This is the accessory store. I'm just gonna click on edit and it will take me to my Wix editor. So here we have our Wix editor, and you can see this is going to be my store that I will be editing. So first of all, we have like add elements, add section, menu and pages, site theme, add app, media, start blogging, and my store. Okay, so we know all of this. I'm gonna change the name for the store, everything. Now creating a store on Wix is actually really easy. First of all, we can edit the website, the basic website that we have here. Just select this block right here, and then what I can do is I can change my header design. So we have this one right here, which is no color, and then we have others as well. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check this one out. Custom design. So we have border, and then we have this one, fill, color, and capacity. This is going to be the capacity. Okay, so we have this type. I'm gonna go with this one right here and just go back. So it will edit my header a little bit for me, and you can see now it has a little bit. Then we have text. So we have two texts right here. I do not want that, and this is not the logo for my image. So I'm just gonna like erase these texts from here and add the name of my store. All right, so this is the name for my store. I'm gonna click on edit text and maybe change a size a little bit. So we have changed the size right here, and for saving time, I'm just gonna use this image right here that we have it. So you can see my store has home, scarves, sale, FAQ, and contact us. Now this page right here, I do not want that. I'm gonna go to menu and pages first, and we have a home page. Scarves. No, I do not sell scarves. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rename this page to watches, because that's what I sell, and we also sell like other things. So I'm just gonna like, let's just go with product for now so that I will be aware that this is my product page. Okay, then we have sale page. Okay, I will have a sale page as well. And then we have FAQ. I do not want FAQ, so I'm just gonna delete this page right here. You just click on these three dots and then you can delete the page. And then we have a contact us page. Okay, this looks nice. And then we have store pages. So in store pages, we have a product page, sale page, again a products, card page, and thank you page. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually delete this product page from here because I already have created that one. So now if I take you to pages, I will actually like to show you that what are the different pages that you require when it comes to your store. So you can see like we have a site menu, main menu, which has contact and home, and then we have a Wix store, which will have your product page, shop page, card page and thank you page. So this is how it works. Now what I will do is I will actually take to my store and click on get started. For e-commerce store on Wix, you just have to go right here and then now click on add products. So this is where you will get your own product manager on Wix. So you can see this is where we will be working when it comes to an e-commerce website. So we have home, activity, and then we have store products right here. In store products, I have product inventory, collections. Then we have back in stock, orders, gift cards, subscriptions, contacts, marketing and SEO, automations, finance, site and app, sales channels, and contact manager. So we have products right here. To create a new product or to edit a product, you will just click on it and it will open up the product page for you. Now I can add an image and video. I can add the product name right here. Then I can select the promotions. I can add descriptions, pricing, everything. So you will just customize all the products that are given here. Of course, you will add your products, and then you can also import a product list if you want. So that's really easy. You can see you can import a product list, like multiple products from your store. Let's say that you already have a store somewhere, then you can do that. Then we have inventory collection option right here. We have orders, so all of the orders will be shown right here, and you will be able to see your abandoned carts as well and orders. So we don't need to go to any other platform to actually run a business or to create a store. Wix allows us to get our own store within our website. And then we have sales channel as well. So if you want to connect your maybe Facebook shop or eBay or your AliExpress, then we can also connect that to our Wix right here. So this is where you will be working most of the time, and then you will just add your products, and this is what it will look like, your product page. You can now of course edit all of these things from here. You can add different elements, you can add buttons to your store, decoratives, and we have text, we have menu and anchors, interactive and list, content manager, blogs and bookings. Everything can be added from here, and this way you will be able to create a professional store on Wix. Now it depends on you how much you want to customize the template. You will also get your own domain or connect your domain that you already have. Once your site is created, you can click on save or click on publish, and your website will be saved with your own Wix domain. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.